Okay, here's the new train table. It's a work in progress. We did a lot of work in this room yesterday, pulling up old rugs and vacuuming the floor. This is the 4x8 train table I built last April or May 2018. And this is the extension leaf. I got those are regular door type house door hinges, kind of similar to this, a little bit bigger than that one, slightly different style but same concept. So I got bolts with a wing nut on the end. There's a gap there in this side of the table because of the way I positioned the boards, because I bought 8-foot long boards and then cut 2 of them in half to make the end pieces here. So we got, that's 48 inches, so that's another probably 3 inches right there. Anyway, here is the unfinished wing. There it is. And there are hinges right there. Sorry, the apartment's a mess. I'm going to build a frame for this wing, this extension to the train table. And I might even put wheels on it, but this wing is folding down so that we can get furniture in and out of my bedroom. But I took my layout, part of my train layout in my bedroom apart in 2008. Never finished it, so this is a good project for me to work on this winter instead of staring at my smartphone for hours and hours every day. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya, bye.